Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another video. Welcome to this channel. I'm Mr. Harrison Magari, your trusted car dealer in Mombasa, and today we are talking about Toyota Noah. I have quite a number of units here. If you're looking for one, kindly reach me. There are 7 units. Toyota Noah can be used as a family farm, can be used for airport transfers, and can be used as a PSV. I have seen a lot of them ferry people from Nairobi to Kisumu, Mombasa to Nairobi, Nairobi to Garissa, and all those distances. Toyota Noah has been in the Kenyan market for quite a long time. It is a reliable car, proven. And for the Toyota Noah, you can get the hybrid and non-hybrid. Hybrid, we are talking about 1800cc, and for the non-hybrid, we are talking about 2000cc, 7-seaters. Toyota Noah comes with those beautiful headlights. These ones being 2018 models, you can see they are quite beautiful. The price for the non-hybrid is 2.9. For the hybrid, 2.7 million. This is how they look from the rear. Quite a much difference. There's not much difference. This one is Toyota Noah. The next one is Toyota Esquire. There's another video which I've shown the difference between the two. This one is more basic, but that one comes with more features, leather interior, and all those amazing features. This is how it looks from the rear. For this one is the hybrid version, 2800cc. Very beautiful vehicle. If, in case you want them on hire purchase, you need a deposit of at least 50%. So if you have a deposit of around 1.4 million, you can get yourself this beautiful vehicle. You clear the balance in up to 24 months. That one is 2 years. Still, if you want to clear them in 2 years, kindly reach me. Still, if you have a deposit of 1.3, 1.2, kindly reach me. This is how the interior looks like. 10-inch infotainment screen. It comes with a dual dual zone climate electric parking brakes right there. EV mode. This one being an hybrid, it will give you very good fuel figures. We are talking up to 25 kilometer to a liter. When we talk about the hybrid, I want to tell you about good thing about the hybrid. I was having a conversation with my friend about the hybrid and non-hybrid, and for the non-hybrid, it will save you a lot of money when it comes to fuel. The normal one from Nairobi to Kisumu, you will cost the fuel cost around 12,000 Kenya shillings, but for the hybrid, will give you'll spend 8,000 at most. So those are one of the most advantages of Toyota Noah hybrid. That's how it looks like, 1800cc, and on the side there is the electric motor. So if you're looking for Toyota Noah, my number is on the screen. Cash, hire purchase, asset financing, kindly reach me. You can afford the seats, as you can see, to create more space if you want more space for luggage. So this that's all about the Toyota Noah. If you are looking for any unit, my number is on the screen. Kindly reach me on the number indicated. And if it is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe. I will be bringing you better deals. Tomorrow is another car, just to let you know about the stocks we have, just like this video. And let me know which another car you would wish that I review. Thank you for watching and welcome.